magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Planet, a nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky G. Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kids Show.
Wow, this is neat.
That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one?
There's a water wheel that works.
No? What? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of the UFO hotspot.
What's happening?
Welcome to the world of New.
We should go. Happy I don't know what that was. You know what, that just reminds me, wherever you are on the tour, you should probably stay seated and hang.
Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, would you mind doing me a couple of favors? Click the like button, leave a comment below the video, click that subscribe button, and click the bell icon. You are all so wonderful and have a magical rest of your day. Bye.